Mistakes that I don't want you to make if you're building or remodeling a beautiful new shower. Number one, did you know the valve or the handle to turn on and off the shower does not have to be located directly under the shower head? You can put it right by the door, even if the shower head is on the opposite side of the shower. Number two, if you can, use epoxy grout rather than regular grout between the tile, because epoxy grout is more resistant to water and it will stay clean more easily. Number three, if you're thinking of a steam shower, don't forget that means that you need glass all the way up to the ceiling, you need a fan inside the shower, and you need tile on the ceiling of the shower, and you need that ceiling to have a little bit of a slope to it. Number four, make sure any ledge or niche that you build into the shower to store toiletries on has a little bit of a slope to it so that it pulls water away from the wall and towards the shower. And number six, run that tile all the way up to the ceiling. We don't need drywall in the shower. Any amount of money that you save on that little extra bit of tile is not going to be worth it when you have to scrub mold off the drywall. What do you guys think? What other mistakes were made in the construction of your shower? If you want help avoiding mistakes, see the caption that I wrote below. Peace, love, and good design.